in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving your favorite drinks, food, and recipe. Anyway, it's just an empty drink recipe which I'm going to share with you guys today. Where you can make this one at home in your favorite kitchen. So this one is very easy. It's just some blackberry and roseberry drink. Basically with some honey and with some ice, blend both of them together, guys, give you a nice lovely flavor and nice taste. So you have to put some honey in it because of the sweetness of the sourness of it. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo. And remember, Snapchat Chef Ricardo 9. You can add me, it is free, you don't need to pay me or anything. You can donate to the YouTube channel because we have a brand new studio coming up. And remember, 50% off the cookbook now. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you favorite drinks, dish, and also food. But today we're gonna give you a nice lovely drink, which is gonna be right here. I have some blackberry right here, and right here I have some roseberry, which we're gonna mix them together. First of all, I'm gonna put a few pieces of ice. A few pieces of ice is inside of my smoothie blender, just like that. Nice and lovely. Then we're gonna get the blackberry, put it straight inside of it like this. And I want to say this is just a healthy drink which you can make at home, guys. Honestly, you will love this. All right. Then I got the roseberry, which I'm gonna put right inside of it like that. And I want to just get everything inside of it because I don't want to leave any of it, honestly. Even the juice. Lovely. Next, I'm gonna get some ice, some honey, and I'm gonna roughly put 2 tablespoons of honey inside of it, which is gonna bring up a lot of flavor and a lot of taste towards it also. Basically I'm just gonna simply pop a little bit of water to it just to free up the blender a little bit. Just a little bit of water. And what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna simply cover it like this. After you cover it, make sure you're not leaking. Simple. Blend this syrup for about 4 to 5 minutes and get everything blended really smooth and nice. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, everything just blend. I blend everything. And basically, let's get our glass and put it right here just like that. And simple, what we're gonna do is a simple pour it out just like this in it. And look at that nice, lovely flavor. Really nice, looking so lovely and yummy. And I'm telling you could have this in the morning for a lovely breakfast, guys. And I know you guys will definitely enjoy and love this recipe. This is just a simple little drink which you can make at home, as you can see right here, and it's looking so lovely and nice. As I said, roseberry and blackberry drink with a little bit of honey, and also you can put lemon for option inside of it with some ice. Really nice drink. So hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And this is some Chef Ricardo on the team. See you next time. Bye bye.